Hello students, today we are going to solve second numerical of CPM. Question is written as a building project consists of 10 activities A, B, C, etc. as listed in the following table. Normal duration of each activity along with the preceding and succeeding activities are also given. Draw the network and determine the critical path and the total project duration. Now in this table, activity is shown here, that is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Preceding activity is also shown, succeeding activity is also shown, and duration in week is also given in this table. Now first of all, we need to draw the network diagram according to this relationship. Now A is the first activity, that is the initial activity. So we will draw the initial activity like this, that is activity A. Now for activity B, the preceding activity will be A and succeeding activity will be D and E. So we will draw here activity B whose preceding activity is A and succeeding activity will be D and E, just like this. Now for activity C, the preceding activity will be A, so we will draw activity C here, and succeeding activity will be F and G, so we will draw F and G here, that is activity F and that is activity G. Now for activity D, the preceding activity is B, which is shown here, and succeeding activity will be H. So we will draw the succeeding activity H just like this. Now for activity E, the preceding activity will be B and succeeding activity will be I. So we will draw activity I here just like this. Now for activity F, the preceding activity will be C, which is shown here, and succeeding activity will be I, which is shown here also. As well as for G, the preceding will be C and succeeding will be J. So we will draw J here. Now for H, the preceding will be D and there will be no succeeding activity for H. It means that H will be the terminating activity. For I, the preceding will be E and F, but there will be no succeeding activity. It means that activity I is also the terminating activity. Similarly, activity J is also the terminating activity. So our network diagram will be like this. This is our complete network diagram. Now we will calculate the TE, TL and slack for all these. First of all, we need to mention the duration of the activity here, that is 5, 2, 6, 4, 4, 2, 3, 8, 7 and 2. That is the activity duration. Now we will find the TE, TL and slack for each event. Now for event 1, the TE value will be equal to 0. For event 2, it will be equal to 0 plus 5, that will be 5. For event 3, it will be equals to 5 plus 2, it will be equals to 7. For event 6, it will be equals to 7 plus 4, that will be equals to 11. Similarly, for event 4, it will be equals to 5 plus 6, that is 11. For event 5, it will be equals to 7 plus 4, that is 11, and 11 plus 2, that is 13. So maximum will be 13, so we will write here 13. Now for event 7, it will be equals to 11 plus 3, that is 14. For event 8, it will be equals to 13 plus 7, that is 20, 11 plus 8, that is 19, and 14 plus 2, that is 16. So 20 will be the maximum. Now for event 8, TL value is not given, so we will take it equals to TE. So we will take the value of TL equals to TE, that is 20, and slack will be equals to 0. Similarly, we can find the TL and slack for all the other events by the backward pass method. Now that will be the slack, TE, TL for all the events. Now we will fill this table. In this table, activity is already written and TEIG, that is activity duration, already written. Now TEI value will be equals to 0, 5, 5, 7, 7, 11, 11, 11, 13, 14. That will be the TEI value. Similarly, we can fill the TEJ value, that is 5, 7, 11, 11, 13, 13, 14, 20, 20 and 20. Now, we have to fill the TLI value and TLJ value also. So, TLI will be equals to 0, 5, 5, 8, 8, 11, 11, 12, 13, 18. That will be the TLI value. Now, we have to fill the TLJ value, which will be equals to 5, 8, 11, 12, 13, 13, 18, 20, 20 and 20. Now, we had filled the TEI, TEJ, TLI and TLJ value. Now, we had to fill the EST value, which will be equivalent to TEI value. So, it will be equals to 0, 5, 5, 7, 7, 11, 11, 11, 13 and 14. Now, LFT will be equals to TLJ. So, we had already computed the TLJ value. So, we will fill the LFT equals to TLJ. It will be equals to 5, 8, 11, 12, 13, 13, 18, 20, 20, 20. Now, EFT will be equals to, we know that EFT will be equals to EST plus activity time, that is TEIJ. So, here we need to add these two values, that is 5 plus 0 equals to 5, 2 plus 5 equals to 7. Similarly, we can compute all these values, that is 6 plus 5 equals to 11, 4 plus 7 equals to 11, 7 plus 4 equals to 11, 11 plus 2 equals to 13, 11 plus 3 equals to 14, 11 plus 8 equals to 19, 13 plus 7 equals to 20 and 14 plus 2 equals to 16. Now, LST will be equals to LFT minus activity duration, that is TEIJ. On subtracting the activity time from the LFT, we will have the LST equals to 0, 6, 5, 8, 9, 11, 15, 12, 13 and 18. That is the LST value. Now, we have to calculate the total float. Total float will be the difference of LFT minus EFT or LST minus EST. Both will give the same answer. So, if we subtract the LFT and EFT, then it will be equals to 0. Here 8 minus 7 equals to 1, 11 minus 11 equals to 0, 12 minus 11 equals to 1, 13 minus 11 equals to 2. Similarly, 13 minus 13 equals 0, 18 minus 14 equals to 4, 20 minus 19 equals to 1, 20 minus 20 equals to 0 and 20 minus 16 equals to 4. That is the total float. Now, we had computed the total float as well as we had draw the network diagram. Now, those activity whose total float is equals to 0 will be the critical activity. Now, here for activity A, total float will be equals to 0. For activity C, total float will be equals to 0. For activity F, total float will be equals to 0 and for activity I, total float will be equals to 0. It means that activity A, activity C, activity F, activity I will be the critical path for this network. Total project duration is equals to 20 units, which is shown here, that is the 20 units, and critical path will be equals to ACFI. That will be the complete solution of this question. That is all about this numerical. Thank you very much, students.